Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. Today we are going to take a look at the TUTGLOBAL Mini Lavalier microphone set. Now this is a really cool little microphone set because it works with the lightning port and it works with the new USB-C port that you will have if you're getting an iPhone 15 or 16, which is what I just upgraded to. So I needed a new microphone set. Now, some of the really cool things about this is it will work up to 65 feet away. And each mic, you get two, each mic will last about 4 hours on a full charge. So that would give you, if you're recording alone, switching microphones, that's going to give you 8 hours of recording time. Now, of course, if you've got two people in there, it's going to be 4, and you're going to have to do a little charging if you're going past a 4-hour filming day. Now, one last thing I actually like is I like the auto pairing. I hate having to set up Bluetooth devices. It could just become painful sometimes, and I really don't have that kind of time to mess with it. This is super simple right out of the box. You pull out the mics, you're going to charge them with your USB-C, get them fully charged, and then you're simply going to hook the other little dongle to your phone. You're going to hit the power on button and it automatically hooks up all on its own. Couldn't be any simpler. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pull you guys in a little closer. We're going to open up the box so you can see what's in it, and then we're going to finish up by hooking it up to my phone real quick, first time, so you'll see how fast it does it all on its own, and we'll test it and see how it works. So let's do that. Okay, so the box is pretty simple. You're just going to open it. Now, I do like the way they've actually got this packaged and separated. It makes it very, very easy. If you look inside of here, this is going to be your charging cord. And we're just simply going to open it up. It's going to be a USB-A to a USB-C. Very simple. If I look underneath here, I'm going to have my instruction manual. And then to the heart of the actual system, you're going to get 2 units, or 2 mics, I should say. Well, actually, let's pull the center out. This is the little dongle, the part that's going to plug into your phone. And you've got little wind breakers here. And the last thing that you have is the actual lightning. So the USB-C, if it's like my phone now, it's going to plug in here, just like that. If you have a lightning plug, you're simply going to plug this in, just like that, and then plug that directly into your phone. All right, and this is the actual mic. Here's your on-off button on the back side. There's the clip to be able to clip it to your shirt. And here is your charging port. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and try it out and see how it works. So what we're going to do now is we are going to take the unit and we are going to place it into the phone. Now mine is the USB-C, so I do not need to use the little lightning adapter. If you have a phone that has a lightning adapter, put that on first and insert it. Now it is already pretty well ready to go. I have it on video. What I'm going to do next is I just power on my mic, and when I power the mic on, the light goes bright green, telling me that it is connected. So that's it, guys. I did not have to set up any Bluetooth. I didn't have to do anything. All I had to do is power it on. Plug it in, hit power. So where I like to put my mic, I don't like the mic right up on me. I like to have it a little bit further away. You tend to get a little bit better sound that way. Now we're going to do a quick test. I have it on video so that we can actually see exactly what this is going to do. So we're going to hit play. Testing, we are now checking the microphone out. We want to see how well it actually sounds. So we are testing it. All right, that's all we're going to do. We're going to hit stop. And now I'm going to pull the little microphone receiver out because a lot of times when you have that in, it'll block your sound. And we are going to hit the little back button, and now I'm going to play. Testing, we are now checking the microphone out. We want to see how well it actually sounds. Put it by mine. So we are testing it. All right, that's all we're going to do. We're going to hit stop, hit play. Testing, we are now checking the microphone out. We want to see how So hopefully you guys could hear that. I tried to hold it up closer to the other mic so that you could hear through my other actual camera system. It actually sounds amazingly well. I'm surprised at just how good that actually sounds. Most of these you generally do not charge because they are going to be powered by the phone itself. What that little port is that little port will allow you to run a cable through there and into your phone and charge your phone if your phone is about to lose power. So you could hook to a regular power source and keep recording and not have to pull your mic out to charge the phone and wait until it's charged and then start up again. So that is a really great little feature. So if you are recording things for TikTok, Facebook, anything that you are going to use your iPhone, you can actually use this mic and it works very well. I would never count on just the mic through the phone. It never comes out right. And people are going to tune away from your videos if you're a video creator, if your sound is awful. Also, if you're just making videos for home or for yourself, you really want good sound. You want to be able to hear what happened. It really makes for a better experience. So if I was rating this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because it does everything they said it would and so much more. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we'll see you guys on the next review. The little charging port on the side of the receiver here actually is not to charge the unit. What this actually functions as is if you are using your phone and your battery is running down and you're still trying to run a mic, but you need to get power into this to keep it going, you can actually plug your power source in here to the side and it will go through here and through your USB-C and charge your phone at the same time, and you're able to still keep rocking and rolling. So that's what that's actually for.